You're all welcome back at the International Technology Transfer Conference. We will start with the award announcements of best innovations with commercial potential. It was a tough decision, and we will give award to Mr. Gregor Klemencic to announce the winners and to say a few words about the evaluation process and to distribute the award. Thank you, Gregor.
Thank you, Robert, to announce me. At first, I really like to be in Slovenia and see this innovation energy of this sixth group coming up with very good new solutions. And I really like to read the papers and also appreciate your beautiful presentation, clear message you addressed to the jury today. It was not easy to decide why the specific case is better comparing to the other ones. It was not easy. We compared, we discussed a lot. We discussed the technological solutions. We discussed the business approach, to entrepreneurship in the team. But we also we were looking, okay, what this case or the team can do after 5 years from now. And on the end, we come with the two really potential cases. And these two cases are, number one, it's stents, novel surface finishing. And the other one is real-time fluorescent application lifetime. And they're not better. They're both actually the same. They have the same value to us. So it was difficult to say, okay, who's the winner? We think as a team that both cases and both teams have very good chance to become something, to become a company or to get to the next stage of development. And on the end, we agree, all of us, that they both will be the winners and they both will get the same amount of money to continue their jobs. With this, I would like to say both of these teams, thank you so much for your good presentation, good effort, and we really wish you a good success to the next stage. I pass the word back to Robert.
Thank you, Gregor. Congratulations to the winners. So the amount of €2,500 goes in equal splits in €1,200, €500 to team number 2 and the same amount to team number 4. If the teams are present right now, we just want to see them. If you're happy, if you want to say something, just switch the microphone and okay. Ita.
Yeah. Thank you. We are very happy. We are really thrilled. So thank you.
Thank you, Ita and Andrei and the team, Rok Dolenec. You are also on. We don't hear you, Andrei, we don't hear you, but we see that.
Sure, we share the excitement indeed. Very happy about the achievement, but most of all, I would like to congratulate as well all of the other teams. And I think we sent a message and a clear sign that there's a lot going on. So we should really enforce this kind of activities and engage in a more dramatic way in the development and in the pursuit of the technology transfer that we developed.
Thank you, Andrei. Thank you, both teams. Congratulations from the organizers to both winning teams, and of course, for all the courage of all the teams who participated. You made the first step or in the sequence of steps, and we will encourage you further. We will work with you and we will help you to move your technology further. That's it for the competition. Again, we would like to give us our sincere thanks to the commission members. Thank you for all your time. You're doing this in your free time, so thank you again. And we hope we will still be able to get in touch with you with some proposals, some advices for our teams. And till the next time, next year of the conference, thank you all. And now I would like to give the word to Ms. Marieta Trobac to announce the winners of the WIPO prize. Marieta, thank you.
Thank you, Robert. Dear ladies and gentlemen, it's a big honor for us to have the World Intellectual Property Organization and the Slovenian Intellectual Property Office among the co-organizers of this conference. By celebrating the achievements of inventors, creators, and innovative companies around the world, the WIPO Awards aim to foster a culture in which innovation and creativity are encouraged and appreciated. Last year, at the 14th International Technology Transfer Conference, the WIPO Awards were given in Slovenia for the first time. Today, we will announce the recipients of 2 WIPO Awards. The awards will be then given tomorrow at the conference ceremony between noon and 1 o'clock and will be accessible via the live streaming on the Institute's TV channel. The selection committee members were Mrs. Nina Urbanic from Slovenian Enterprise Fund, Mr. Matthias Kekel from Fraunhofer Technologie Transfer Funds, who already met, and Mr. Alois Balic from Slovenian Intellectual Property Office. The WIPO Medal for Inventors will be announced just before the end of the conference. Now we are focusing on the WIPO IP Enterprise Trophy. The WIPO IP Enterprise Trophy is awarding a Slovenian company for its good practice in constant and methodological use of the IP system in its business activities. The main criteria for the selection of the awardee were the following: the number of cooperations with public research organizations, number of employments of PhDs from public research organizations, new products or services launched to the market based on technology transfer and IP protected, public campaigns to promote the appreciation of companies' IP assets, encouragements for creative and inventive activity among staff in the company, programs to use the IP-based business also for public goals, and commercial or marketing strategies based on effective use of the IP system. May I use the words of one of the members of the selection committee? He said, "I'm very impressed with the applications, and I think there are a lot of passionate and great people behind the technologies and companies." So the selection committee has among the applicants selected and decided to give the IP Enterprise Trophy to the company Game Motors. Here is the short justification. Game Motors is actively cooperating with several public research organizations. They have a clear IP strategy with patents in UK, India, United States, Russia, Japan, China, and South Korea, and that is essential for B2B business. Their in-will patented technology has been presented at several fairs and conferences through the social responsibility programs by promoting the e-mobility. Different project partners, other companies, and schools are included. And finally, they constantly and methodologically encourage also the creativity and innovativeness among their staff. Congratulations. Robert, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Marietta. So this was the award announcements. Thank you for participating in this session, and I recommend that we start immediately with the next session. We have 2 keynote